वाहेगुरु स्टूडेंट ऑफ 9th स्टैंडर्ड बच्चे वी आर डूइंग चैप्टर नंबर 4 of your subject computer, that is entrepreneurial skills. Let us discuss another topic, that is demonstrate the knowledge of distinguishing and characteristics of entrepreneurship. Firstly, let us discuss about what is an entrepreneurship. बच्चे before discussing about entrepreneurship, what is an entrepreneur, who is an entrepreneur, the relation between entrepreneur, entrepreneurship and enterprise, what is the relation between them. Firstly, who is considered to be an entrepreneur? बच्चे entrepreneur is a person who undertake the risk of starting a new business. Entrepreneur is considered to be a creator who design the new methods, new techniques and new products for their customer requirements, according to the customer requirements. So this is considered to be an entrepreneur, the person who take initiate to start up a new business, that is called the entrepreneur. And what is entrepreneurship? The set of activities, entrepreneurship is called the set of activities that is performed by an entrepreneur. This is called an entrepreneurship. And enterprise, here it is written the outcome, enterprise, business, company, venture, firm, we can call any name. Enterprise बच्चे someone taking initiative to start up a new business, this is called an enterprise. So entrepreneur is a person who take initiate to start up a business, that is considered to be an enterprise. And entrepreneurship is a process, is considered to all the activities which are performed by the entrepreneurship. Next is बच्चे what is entrepreneurship development. हाँ जी बच्चे, development means to grow. What is entrepreneurship development is बच्चे, it is the process of improving the skills and knowledge of the entrepreneur through the training and through various programs. Entrepreneurship is promoted to help the various problems like unemployment problems, problem of stagnation, and increase the competitiveness and growth of the business and enterprises. Unemployment problem, provide the employment opportunities to the society. This is, and stagnation, problem of stagnation, lack of activity. Entrepreneurship is a process of activity that is performed by the entrepreneur. Lack of activity, or we can say about it growth, lack of growth. So entrepreneurship development concentrate more on growth of an enterprise, so our country's economy can be developed, and it is a tool, or it is a solution of the unemployment problem for any country, because it provides the employment opportunities to the society, to the number of peoples. Next is बच्चे characteristics of entrepreneurship. What are the characteristics or features of the entrepreneurship? First one is purposeful activity. Purposeful, or we will write here, we can also write goal oriented activity. What is the purpose of doing an activity? Firstly, that is mentioned by the entrepreneur. Each and every enterprise that produce goods for the peoples or for the customer, either they want to earn profit or there is service motive. that provide services to the people. So behind every activity there is a purpose. So entrepreneurship is a goal oriented activity, or it is considered to be an purposeful activity, whether it wants to consider to earn money or whether they are providing services to the society. Next is बच्चे creative activity. Why entrepreneurship is considered to be a creative activity? Because entrepreneur is the person who designs the new ideas. Entrepreneur is a person who performed the activities into the entrepreneurship, because he is considered to be a creator who designs the new ideas and who produce the new products, but according to the customer requirement and according to the changes in environment. So in the entrepreneurship there is a creation of something new, something better for the customer. That's why it is called the creative activity. Next point is बच्चे, that is risk bearing activity. It's written here, risk is inherent and inseparable from the entrepreneurship. बच्चे, risk is inseparable from an enterprise or from any business also. If we will take more risk, we will get more profit. If we want to succeed, we want to become successful, we have to take risk in our life also. So in entrepreneurship there is a risk taking activity, because there is a creation of the new ideas. So parallelly there is a risk factor also available in the entrepreneurship. Next is organizing. Entrepreneur brings together various factors of the production. What are the factors of the production? Land required where actual production is done, labor who will perform the activity, capital consider money, how much money that are required for the production of any product. So all these factors that are organized them is considered to be an enterprise. So it is organized by an entrepreneur in the entrepreneurship. So entrepreneurship is considered to be an organization builder. Gap filling. An entrepreneur identifies and fills the gap what the society needs and what is available. That means entrepreneur is a creator. He creates new things, new products for the customer, but according to the requirement of the customer. Whatever the customer want, provide that kind of product to the customer. So entrepreneurship is a gap filling process. Dynamic process. Dynamic considered to be unchangeable. Changeable whenever there is a change required, changes in the environment, either changes regarding the government policy, either changes regarding the taste and preferences of the customer. So entrepreneurship is a dynamic process. Initiative taking. Entrepreneurship taking involves taking initiative. Initiate to start a new business. To take charge before others do. That's why it is considered to be an entrepreneurship considered initiative process. Next is last, multidimensional. Entrepreneurship considered to be a multidimensional concept. What are the dimensions? Like economic, social, psychological, cultural. But it needs the understanding and consideration of many factors and perspectives. Which denotes the factor denotes a person with a strong desire for the achievement, that will be a entrepreneur, and the outcome of his highly motivated action oriented activities is considered to be an entrepreneurship. So that's why it is considered to be a multi-dimensional process.